Hey YouTube, Opinionative Reviewer here, and today I got another SMS tweak review for you guys. Now this one is called BeyondSMS. It's by Tyler and it's for 99 cents in the Big Boss repo. Just like most other SMS apps that affect your default SMS app rather than installing another one, this one does the same thing. It adds more features to your SMS app. So before I go and test it out or show you guys how it operates, we're going to go into settings and configure it. So you just go into settings, you scroll down until you see Beyond SMS right here. You tap on that, and now let's check through. So you can enable and disable tweak, always a nice function. You can change your password, and before you can be able to change this password, you would have to go into your messaging app first so you can actually set the password. So you go into your messaging app and then set the password. So it has password enable. You can turn that on and off if you want to. I guess that's not for the tweak, that's my bad, it's just for the passcode. You have lock SMS app where you can just lock the app itself, and that's the password code right there. You can use your camera as your background. You can use text emoji that converts like other emojis into the iPhone emoji so the iPhone can recognize it. You have conversation hide, you have conversation lock-in, and you have the bubble opacity. And I'll show you guys that. So after you have those, let's just go over and test it out now. So I'm going to go over to my messaging app right here. And the first thing I have to do is obviously put in my password so I can unlock it. And now you can see my conversation. So I'll tap on the conversation and I have to put in my password again to actually view that conversation. So now you can see it looks a little fuzzy because I have it on the stand. I'm using my camera as a background. As you can see, I'm using my camera there. Let me just go and just send a message because it's coming to me anyhow. And you can see, and that's the opacity of the bubble. Now if you change the opacity all the way down, you're not gonna see anything. The only thing you'll see is the date. But this is the opacity, and it only affects the bubbles. It doesn't affect the background or anything like that. So now let's go back out and I'll show you guys the hide feature. So now I'm going to go and hit edit right here, and as you can see it has something here say hide. So I could go and I could hit hide, 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 hit hide. And so on. Now when I go back out into my regular message, none of those messages that I hid, none of them are there. If I want to see those messages, I have to go and hit the hidden tab, but I have to put in my password if I want to see those hidden messages. Tricky. So now you can see all the messages that I hid are right here, and all I gotta do is hit edit and just show, and just go ahead and hit show. And there you go, come back out and all of the messages are back here again. So that's basically what this tweak allows you to do. It just boosts your SMS app functions, allow you to change the opacity, use the camera as the background, set passcodes for not only to lock the messaging app but to also lock the conversation, and you can lock the hidden conversations as well. So yeah, it's in the Big Boss repo for 99 cents. It's a matter of preference if you want to get it or not. With that being said, please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.